and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng Chinese-style Sipo eggs. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, magpe-preheat lang tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan at igigisa natin itong 1 piece ng onion. Igigisa lang natin to hanggang sa lumambot. Malambot na yung ating onion, pwede na natin i-add itong 4 to 5 cloves ng garlic at continue lang natin na paggisa hanggang sa lumabas ang aroma ng ating garlic. Ready na yung ating onion and garlic. Pwede natin i-add itong 250 grams ng boiled pork. At kukontinue lang natin to hanggang sa mag-brown yung ating pork. Kung gagamit kayo ng fresh na hipon, pwede nyo lang i-add. Dahil itong ang hipon na nabili ko ay pre-cook na, so hindi ko po muna ilalagay. Ayan, medyo nag-brown na yung ating pork. Pwede na natin i-add itong 1 piece ng singkamas or parsnips ang ginamit ko, cut into cube. At itong 1 piece ng medium carrots, cut into cubes. At isasama ko na rin itong 2 stalks ng celery. And mix it well. At tatakpan lang natin to at isisimmer natin to for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, check natin. Ayan, medyo half-cooked na yung ating carrots at singkamas. I-add ko na itong 1 cup ng green beans na slice into half. At itong 1 cup ng sliced mushrooms. Ang ginamit ko ay button mushrooms. Nahaluin lang natin ito. Pwede na rin natin i-add itong 1 piece ng bell pepper, sliced into strips. At itong 1 cup ng green peas. And we'll mix it well. Then, pwede na natin i-add itong 1/4 cup ng oyster sauce. At isi-season na rin natin ng pepper to taste and salt to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. Lalagay ko na itong 1 cup ng pork broth. And again, we will mix it well. Takpan uli natin to at isisimmer uli natin for another 5 minutes. And then once in a while, haluin nyo lang para pantay ang luto ng ating gulay. After 5 minutes, ready na yung ating gulay. And then i-add ko na itong 100 grams ng pre-cooked na hipon. At i-add ko na rin itong 2 dozens ng boiled quail eggs. At i-add ko na itong 2 tablespoons ng Chinese cooking wine. And then i-add ko na itong 2 teaspoon ng cornstarch dissolved in 1 tablespoon ng water. Para lang pampalapot ng ating sauce. Haluin natin maigi para well covered ng sauce yung ating vegetables. Tatakpan ko lang, isimmer uli natin to for about 1 to 2 minutes. And lastly, ilalagay na natin itong 2 tablespoons ng sesame oil. And you can turn off the heat. And mix it well. Ang bango ng aroma ng ating sesame oil. Pwede na natin ito i-transfer sa ating serving plate. And lastly, we will garnish it with cashew nuts before serving. And there you have it, our Chinese-style Sipo eggs. Best served for special occasion. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.